So for this year for Technology Camp, we've gone through a few different topics in STEM and technology. Specifically, we work with 3D printers, we work with Raspberry Pi and Python programming, we work with robotics, artificial intelligence, and we really had the students do some hands-on learning and actually get to experience these technologies, some of them for the first time. I think definitely seeing how the kids got really creative, especially early on. They were kind of knocking it out of the park with the 3D printing competitions. I think the boat competition was one of my favorites. The kids built different boats, they designed them themselves, and they actually put some different weights inside of them to see if they floated or sunk, and it got really cool. It's really important because in the 21st century, it won't be robots or AI that are like directly displacing people's jobs. It's people who are working with those systems, people who are knowledgeable about large language models, about robotics, and about how they're going to integrate that into their workflow that are going to be the workforce of the 21st century and beyond. So it's really important that the students get hands-on experience with these things to demystify that and make sure that they can be prepared for what comes next in technology. And we'd like to thank Chevron for being our consistent sponsor and partner in this and making it happen.
Battled. I made it to the semifinals, but I lost at the semifinals.
Tell me how you built the robots.
We used Lego-like cubes and kind of slide it into holes, and I made 2 robots that didn't work.
So what did you do after the ones you didn't work?
I just broke them apart and made another robot. We made video games, which was really fun.
Tell me about your video game.
My video game was where you have to chase a gem, and if you get that gem, you get super speed, and you have to keep catching gems until you get to 10, and the next checkpoint is 20, then 30, until you get to 100, then you win the game.
I've been learning lots of coding and being able to make stuff using AI and lots of code.
Now tell me about AI. What do you think about it?
It's pretty cool and awesome, actually. I love it. I love AI. What my dad told me is that he likes to learn a lot of AI stuff. So what he told me, I asked him why, and he said that during the 80s, everyone was afraid of the internet, and that it was really new, and they were scared of it. And he said that it's either be scared and not learn anything about it, or to keep learning about it and think it's okay.
So what was your favorite part of camp?
Probably the part we're doing right now.
Which is?
It's like we're making these, like they're dots on our face and our body, and like we're making little, like kind of pictures of them.
Yeah.
By doing camp, I've become more confident in AI.